Okay. Now, deep research, yeah, it's kind of difficult to find, but you see this plus button here, and when you click that, they give you options here. So now you see deep research right here. Okay, so this is kind of new. You can now create an image. That's probably another topic here. If you want to shop research, you can do all that kind of stuff. All right, so today we're going to use this deep research tool. So I'm gonna, I probably my typing is not as fast. I usually use this dictate. So because my speaking is far, much faster than typing. So I'm gonna just speak right here. Hit this button. Hey, I'm looking for grant opportunities for a nonprofit organization that provides workforce development programs, including job training, upskilling, and career readiness support. The grant amount should be around $50,000 to $200,000, and the deadline should be within the next 3 to 6 months and ongoing. I'm interested in US federal and the New York State government funding opportunities rather than corporate sponsorship. Please also consider our organization's mission of helping individuals gain skills to secure meaningful employment and build economic independence. All right, so let's just make sure, hit this plus button and enable this deep research here. Okay, so now it's on. So let's send this away. Now, so topic number, I said how to evaluate the grant opportunity and verify information using AI workflow. So again, it's super easy because AI kind of asks me like another layers of question. So usually 3 to 4 questions.